Hi guys, I'm Anbu. It's raining today. I'm just going to pick my daughter. Today it's heavy raining actually. The time is 3 o'clock. So I'm going to pick my daughter. అలాగే పాడి మరివేనమ్మా. The small pit is there, so we have to go slowly. I'm gonna take a right. My left side there is one ration shop. I think today it was closed. And oh my god, the small leaf down the somebody peel that leaf, the neem tree. I'm gonna take the short road. Oh my god, opposite one car is coming. We have to give a way to that car. Okay, that car passed over me, and I'm just going to be if you watch the first time my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. It will helpful for me, so that's why I'm telling. And this is my when I was studying, so this is my school actually. The elementary school. That time it will only it has 5th standard only. Now it has till 8th standard. So what is the sadness? Today the total strength is how much? 65 or 60 some? No, 60 something. The 1 to 8 standard, the total amount of total strength student is only 60 something. See the weather. So this is the NH bypass road. We're gonna take the left. Now this road going to Kerala, Palakkad, Cochin. No, I saw a lot of accident in this zone. It is very careful to cross the road. Be careful. And this is the way. And it's around 2 kilometers away from school to me. I'm going to school, pick my daughter. Now it's drizzling only, not that much rain, so drizzling only. We can manage. the right side, there is a one temple, top of the hills. That is a very beautiful temple. Every Paurnami, Paurnami means the full moon. That day, who worship God, they were going to temple and they were worship something, right? Look at the cloud, and I see the one eagle is flying. Look at this. You can't see, I think. Oh my God. A lot of sound. Actually, I'm learned this word drizzling from cricket. The due to rain that time, the commentator said drizzling. So that's why the due to game to postpone something, right? So that time I learned this word. So that's why I'm using this word actually. I'm going to take the left. We have to careful. My left side, one is they have stick one poster, the movie poster. The movie is Blast. The Arjun and Abhirami and one of heroine name I forgot. I don't know. So I heard some news that movie. That movie was too good, I think. And this is the school, left side. I'm going to take a left. But the gate was not open. Gate wasn't open, right? I'm going to off. That's it.